NDC for Akachia no and I would dream to new Asiedu Nketia Edia Tubia won Nasia Small Koye Press Doom Honmo and watch this a Ghana for Yan Kuku to Gen Mom Pie and Kyle Mino, said the Bay of Binya Kendifua, a beb one more minor tumpong.
Done yet. We have another set of 277 elections to go. We are going to elect candidates for all 275 plus 1 constituencies, and also elect the flag bearer who will lead the party into the 2024 contest. We want to continue to plead with the Archbishop and the congregation to continue praying for us so we can get through the next phase of the exercise. And to pray again, not for NDC to come to power, but pray for this country so that we get the government that we need. God has given us choices, so we have control over what we choose. But our choices come along with consequences. God has not given us the power to determine the consequences of our bad choices. So there are times where you make a bad choice, you must suffer the bad consequences. And that is where you get, people say you get the government you deserve. We are praying that the Lord will give Ghana the government that we need and not the government that we deserve because of our wrong choices. I thank you very much, and may God bless us all.